Hiya, folks! Here I am, Екатерина Пряникова. You can freely use footage color during educational videos. Important to know creation some footage as requires some voice plugins silence the speed of the processing to make this much easier. You can even monetize your videos. In exchange, I just simply ask for likes and comments. You will learn how to make beautiful and simple background with Optical Flares, just following my steps on videos. I will show all the button present. Feel free to ask questions or give suggestions in the comment section. On my second channel Machine Footage, you can download ready-to-use footage and use it in your videos. But I strongly ask to specify original footage only. Business cooperation, welcome to my life.